बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बना इग़फ़िरली व लिवालिदैया व लिलमुमिनीना यौमा यक़ूमुल हिसाब। Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hamadur Rahman from DPS Lahore. It's our lecture number 10 of class 9 biology. Students, we were discussing chapter number 2. Topics of our today lecture are data organization and data analysis, mathematics as an integral part of scientific process. Now a quick recap of our previous lecture. Students, in our previous lecture we discussed malaria as an example of biological method, Ronald Ross experiments and their results. Objectives of our today lecture. Students, in our today lecture we will discuss a comparison between theory and law. What is data organization and data analysis? Why mathematics is considered as an integral part of scientific process. Comparison between scientific theory and scientific law. Students, scientific theory, the hypotheses that stand the test of time, often tested and never rejected, are called theories. Students, when a hypothesis is given a repeated exposure to experimentation and is not falsified, it increases biologists' confidence in hypotheses. Such well-supported hypotheses may be used as the basis for formulating further hypotheses, which are again proved by experimental results. So a theory is supported by great deal of evidence. Students, a theory is productive. Productive theory keeps on suggesting new hypotheses, and so testing goes on. Many biologists take it as a challenge and exert great efforts to disprove the theory. If a theory survives such doubtful approach and continues to be supported by experimental evidence, it becomes a law. So a scientific law is irrefutable. Irrefutable means impossible to deny and uniform or constant fact of nature. Students, scientific theory explains why phenomena occur, and repeated successful predictions from the theory results conversion of theory into scientific law. Scientific law describes what phenomena happen. Examples of biological laws are Hardy-Weinberg law, Mendel's laws of inheritance. Data organization and data analysis. Data organization and data analysis are important steps in biological method. What is biological method? Students, biological method is a scientific method in which biological problems are solved. What is a biological problem? Biological problem is a question or query related to living organism. What is data? Data can be defined as information such as names, dates, or values made from observation and experiments. Data organization. Data is organized in different formats like graphs, tables, flowcharts, maps, and diagrams. Data analysis. Data analysis is necessary to prove or disprove a hypothesis by experimentation. It is done through the application of statistical methods, that is ratio and proportion. Ratio. Students, in ratio we relate two numbers. Ratio may be expressed by putting a division sign or colon sign between two numbers. For example, the ratio between 50 malarial patients and 150 normal person is 1:3. The solution of this problem is, the ratio is 50:150. We cancel 0 with 0 and new ratio become 5:15. We can divide both numbers with 5 and the final answer is 1:3. Now proportion. Proportion means to join two equal ratios by sign of equality. For example, A/B is equal to C/D is a proportion between two ratios. This proportion may also be expressed as A/B proportion C/D. For example, here are two equal ratios, 3/6 and 1/2. If we want a solution or we want to determine either both ratios are equal or not, then we equalize both ratios and cross multiply. 3 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 1. The answer of both is 6. So both ratios are equal. Example of proportion. A biologist wants to calculate how many birds will get malaria when he allows infected mosquitoes to bite 100 healthy sparrows. In his previous experiment, he noted that when he allowed mosquitoes to bite 20 sparrows, 14 out of them got malaria. Here is a solution of this problem. Students, in his previous experiment, biologist concluded that 14 sparrows got malaria out of 20. So first ratio is 14:20. And he wants to calculate number of sparrows got malaria when total number of sparrows are 100. So second ratio is X/100. Using proportion rule, 14:20 proportion X/100. Here is a formula: product of means is equal to product of extremes. Students, in above expression, 14 and 100 are extreme values, while 20 and X are extreme mean values. Now we multiply 20 by X and 14 by 100. Then equation is X multiplied by 20 is equal to 14 multiplied by 100. By solving, we have answer X is equal to 70. So it means 70 out of 100 sparrows would get malaria. Mathematics as an integral part of scientific process. Students, biological method also involves the use of applied mathematics to solve biological problems. Major biological problems in which knowledge of mathematics is used include gene finding, protein structure, and protein-protein interactions, etc. Bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is an important short question for exam perspective. It refers to the computational and statistical techniques for the analysis of biological data. Now, recap of our today lecture. Students, in our today lecture, we discussed a comparison between theory and law. What is data organization and data analysis? Why mathematics is considered as an integral part of scientific process.